What if I told you you could turn boring potatoes into crispy, cheesy garlic bombs of flavor in 20 minutes flat? And yep, we're making these bad boys in the air fryer. Grab a couple of potatoes, doesn't matter what kind, they'll all end up crispy and delicious. Dice them into bite-sized chunks and wash them off in cold water to get some of that starch off. Then pat them bone dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispy. Now, toss them in some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese while we let our air fryer preheat to 350 degrees. When that's ready, toss them in for 10 minutes. After that, give them a shake or toss them back in the bowl to scoop up every last bit of cheese and spice. Then, air fryer to 400, back in for 10 more minutes. Look at that. Crispy, cheesy flavor bomb in just 20 minutes. No mess, no stress, all air fryer. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and get ready for next week's air fryer victory. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.